Hi, I'm Donna Gates, and I want to tell you why I'm a fan of SelfDecode. First of all, they have as their chief medical advisor a doctor, an MD, who's also an expert in genetics, so you can trust that information. Secondly, they have their own DNA kit, and they do not share your information with any other companies like pharmaceutical companies. And third, I love their blog. They have great information. They have 8 scientific advisors who put out wonderful articles. You'll notice in all those articles, there's a little R. Anytime they state something, there's a little R there, and you can click on that R and up pops the research. So they don't put anything out that isn't researched. That's really important too. We can't just say anything about our genes. There has to be information or real research backing them up. So try SelfDecode. If you go and you think, oh my gosh, there's a lot here, don't be overwhelmed. It's something that you can take in bits and pieces and learn a lot about yourself.